Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a car that defies everything we thought we knew about electric vehicles. For years, the knock on EVs was that they were fast but soulless, clinical, and a bit boring once the initial torque wore off. Then, Hyundai handed the keys to their N division, and the world changed. The 2026 Hyundai IONIQ 5N isn't just a transport pod with a big battery. It is a full-blown riot on wheels, designed for people who actually love to drive. Looking at the exterior, the IONIQ 5N takes the retro-futurist vibe of the standard model and puts it on a heavy dose of steroids. It's wider, lower, and significantly more aggressive. You've got a massive front apron with active air flaps to cool that high-performance battery, and a gorgeous, luminous orange accent line that wraps around the bottom. Step inside, and the N treatment continues. The interior feels like a cockpit designed for serious business. You're greeted by N-exclusive bucket seats that sit lower than the standard version, featuring reinforced bolsters to keep you in place during high-G cornering. The center console has been redesigned with knee pads because, let's be honest, you're going to be tossing this car around. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, is where the magic happens. The 2026 model features an upgraded 84 kWh battery, feeding dual motors that produce a staggering 601 horsepower. But wait, hit the Grin Boost button on the steering wheel, and you get a 10-second surge up to 641 horsepower and 568 lb-ft of torque. That rockets you from 0 to 60 in just 3.4 seconds. But the real wow factor, it's the N E-Shift. When it comes to the price, you're looking at a starting MSRP of approximately $66,000 to $68,000. While that's a step up from the standard IONIQ 5, you have to realize what you're getting. This car is punching in the same weight class as super sedans and sports cars that cost six figures. It's a specialized performance tool that also happens to be a practical 5-passenger hatchback with plenty of cargo space. Safety hasn't been sidelined for speed either. The 2026 IONIQ 5N comes standard with Hyundai's latest SmartSense suite. You're getting Forward Collision Avoidance Assist 2, which can detect oncoming traffic at intersections, along with Lane Keeping Assist, Blind Spot View Monitor, and a 360-degree surround view camera. The N version also features structural reinforcements, 42 additional welding points, and over 2 meters of extra structural adhesive, which doesn't just improve the handling. To summarize, the 2026 Hyundai IONIQ 5N is a masterclass in how to make an electric car feel alive. It's got the looks that turn heads, an interior that focuses on the driver, and performance figures that will embarrass most supercars at a stoplight. But more than that, it has character. It's a car that wants to play, shift, and roar. Hyundai didn't just build a fast EV, they built a soul for the electric era. If you're looking for the most engaging, thrilling, and technologically advanced performance car on the market right now, the IONIQ 5N is it. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, and subscribe for more reviews of the cars that are actually worth your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.